Eastern Samar is a surfing hotspot if you are looking for great surf away from the crowds. In today's vlog, I'll show you around the Spot Oceanfront Studio Apartments, where I have a beachfront view for only $15 per night. And I'll show you the surf breaks at Omawas Beach, and give you a tour of Mariamahalo Surf House, where you can rent boards, get a surf lesson, or hire a guide to take you to some of the best surfing spots in the Philippines. Here's my apartment I'm renting right now. Here's a tour of my apartment here in Eastern Samar. And got a nice big bed. There's my camera. And here's my work area for now. And beautiful view. You can see just right out here is an amazing oceanfront view. Beautiful waves crashing everywhere. Got some storage for my clothing right there. Small refrigerator. There's a burner stove, single burner stove. Sink. Plenty of utensils. And bathroom with a western toilet. Sink, mirror. Don't need much more than that. Take a look around here. Another little area you can hang out right outside. Sit here and watch the ocean. Some beautiful rock formations this way. And got some tide pools there. And a nice break right in front. There's another nice peak over this way. And it's very deep water, open ocean right here. So the swell comes right out of the deep water and hits this beach with a lot of force. So it's a lot larger here than it is other places. Got some head-high surf coming in today. Winds are on shore, so it's not very clean, but still very surfable. Catches swell from both the northeast and the southeast, so very good beach for consistent waves. There's a surf school or a surf camp 2 doors down this direction. This is Omawas Beach here. The surf today has been slightly overhead and the onshore wind is kind of making it a mess. It's not very clean surf today, but still very surfable. We're about 20 minutes from Borongan and a lot of nice surfing beaches around here. There's a river mouth over this direction and you get a left break off the river mouth. And then there's 3 peaks right out here that break, and there's a channel over this direction that makes it easier to paddle out. Down the beach this direction, there's a surf house, and we'll take a little tour through there later. It's a good location to hit many of the nice surf breaks along this coast. There's the surf house on the beach side. This house is right on the highway. Borongan is about 15, maybe 20 minutes this direction. There's surf breaks both north and south of here. There's a nice little convenience store. You can buy beer across the street. Mariamahalo Surf House. So a nice place if you want a room and some guides around the island. So this is the little surf house. So a great place for your vacation to base out of. This is right on Omawas. So you got beautiful surfing right in front. And you got some boards. You got boards for rent?
Yeah, yeah.
For people who stay with you? Yeah.
The name of this resort is Mariamahalo.
Mariamahalo.
Yeah.
Okay, you have a Facebook page?
Yeah,
Okay.
Mariamahalo.
All right, so there you go, Mariamahalo. This is right on Omawas Beach.
Omahas Beach.
Yeah.
Eastern Samar.
Eastern Samar. And waves were head high today?
Yeah,
And I think in 2 more days,
it's getting bigger.
it's getting bigger.
Yeah.
Nice. Can I see a room?
Sure,
Oh, yeah.
down there. You have
Oh, so you stay?
tour you down there.
Tour? All right. A quick tour.
We have a visitors now from Cebu.
Oh, from Cebu. Nice.
This is the room.
Okay, so there's a room here. There's people in it right now. So, but
The other one room here.
more surfboards. So 2 rooms. Air conditioning or fan only?
The one room.
1 room has air. And what's how much to rent?
There 800. The aircon is 1,200.
1,200 for the air conditioned room. 1,200 air conditioned room. A nice place to hang out here. Sink right there. And good surf. Nice places to hang out outside, watch the waves. Beautiful. For more cost of living guides and travel information, please subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next video is up. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and leave a comment. It helps us to keep bringing you free videos like this one.